Hi, Autumn. Are you watching Tangled? Hi. What are you looking for? Hi, baby. Hi. Hi. Say hi to everyone at home. Can't wait to meet you guys. Love you. Yay! Smiley baby. Is he smiles? I love you. Okay. Say bye. Let's check out her hot thighs. 'Cause they're so cute. Look at these legs. Look at these legs. And look at this belly. And there's Autumn Hayes. Hi, baby. Yeah. We're just watching Tangled. Love y'all.